Hi everyone, we're here at our Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday sale at Rainforest, Flora in Torrance, California. This beautiful guy is the one that we are going to raffle off today for people who come by here. This is a Tillandsia Best in Class, which is a hybrid of Tillandsia xerographica and Tillandsia rothii. And you can see the beautiful coloring on the margins of the leaves here. It's a little bit greener because it has rothii in it. It's one of the most beautiful plants, and we're here today raffling this off to the many people that are coming. One of them will go home with this beautiful Best in Class. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays. Hi folks, this is Paul Isley from Rainforest, Flora, wishing you all a most very Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and whatever other holiday you want to celebrate at this special, special time of year. As we close in on the end of 2016 and get ready for 2017. A very Merry Christmas from all of us here at Rainforest, Flora.
Rainforest Flora Incorporated